These are some of the
Okay,
most
let's
common
go.
conspiracy theories, so if you agree with any of these, then you'll know why nobody talks to you.
Alright, let's see.
Mattress firm is a giant money laundering scheme. This
not
isn't even
sure.
a conspiracy.
English,
it's
so
verifiably true.
dunno, but
Nobody's
it
actually
makes
purchasing
sense.
mattresses like that.
So,
Same thing with
maybe,
modern art auctions. They're all fronts for
Yeah.
laundering.
I guess.
Aliens built the
Easy way.
pyramids. I just watched 3 documentaries on this last
No,
night,
of
and
course
it's either
not.
the
They keep
interior
shit
ramp
like
theory or
It's not
aliens.
that.
There's no way
Obviously,
around
it's
it.
huge, but they could have done it.
Life is a simulation.
Yes,
That'd be sort of
completely-
depressing, but I
like,
suppose it's as plausible as
everything
anything
works
else.
too, bro. It's not,
The
like,
Denver airport is the Illuminati's headquarters. Is that legit?
English
Why would they
again,
choose an
so
airport?
not sure
The Illuminati's
if
so
it's
cringe.
Denver's in America,
Shakespeare didn't
so-
actually write
but Illuminati's
Shakespeare.
real.
I don't know the lore
Um,
behind this theory, but it makes sense if
I
you had
think
like
he did.
ghostwriters
He
to help
probably
him
wrote
out.
most of it. Yeah,
And then
he probably
finally,
people helped
Australia
him.
doesn't
I mean, of course he
exist.
wrote it, but
Yeah, I agree with that.
Australia, of course.